So, welcome to a junior two-bedroom suite at Lumina, 648 square feet. This could be used as the second bedroom. It has sliding glass wall which shuts it off and makes it private. Could be used as a bedroom, could put bunk beds in here as it does have a reasonable sized closet. You could use it as a den, a guest room, an office area. They have it set up here with a desk. So lots and lots of options. Carries on into the bathroom across the hall here. And again, a shower above your bathtub and a mirrored sliding glass cabinet here, which is great for storage with an LED light above, and your Kohler under counter mounted sink, quartz countertops, and then straight across into the kitchen with your island dishwasher on the side, quartz Waterfall countertops. You have an integrated Bosch fridge, 30 inches, and full-size Bosch oven and gas cooktop, and a Panasonic microwave. Living area here, and walking into the bedroom with a huge, absolutely very spacious walk-in closet, which you could even use as a guest, as a den or an office space, as it is so large. And walking out onto the full-size balcony, which spans the whole width of the unit. And these actual depictions of the view, that's facing west to downtown, and then south to Metrotown. And this actually shows the building across, which would be the South Tower at the same development by Thind.